Warrens, Wisconsin, a town of under 400 residents, undergoes a remarkable transformation every September when it hosts the world's largest cranberry festival. The festival draws in over 140,000 visitors over the 3-day event who come to shop, eat, and celebrate the cranberry.
I love Cranfest.
Hey, welcome back to LoveNesters. We are in Warrens, Wisconsin at the world's largest cranberry festival.
This place is incredible. There are 850 craft vendors, 350 antique and flea market vendors, and 100 food vendors.
What?
We are going to hit as many of those food vendors as we can, trying everything with a cranberry.
Thanks for being here.
So this is our 120th year that we've been raking cranberries.
120?
Our march started in 1903.
You don't look that old, sir.
Yeah, not quite, but
and you've been doing this your entire life.
Yes, yep. So we kind of family owned, operated. We do it all on our own.
And you're still smiling.
That's right.
Oh my goodness. Well, it must be the cranberries, the health benefits of the cranberries.
That's right.
You look great for a 60-year-old.
Yeah, pretty good. Turning on 62, but 60 will work.
It's all about the cranberries.
I'll take the compliment.
So we're going to try a cranberry today.
Go for it. Yes.
And here we go.
Little tart. So be ready.
Much like myself, a little tart.
You'll never have another UTI.
Well, then give me a dozen to go. Wow, those are good. Thanks for joining us today. Really appreciate it.
Of course. Thanks for coming down to the fest. 50th year.
50th. Oh my goodness.
So obviously you guys do this a lot.
That's the 1900s.
Well, it's been around for 50 years.
Yeah, but I've been going about 25.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
This is my third Cranfest. I live in Georgia.
Oh, all the way from Georgia. Oh wow. Well, you knew to dress alike.
Yes.
So what's like your favorite Cranfest food?
The fritters. Cream puffs.
Well, we could tell you were professionals, not just by your outfits, but by your carts. Okay, we finally found it. This is cranberries on a stick.
Cranberries on a stick.
I think it's like a donut with a cranberry in the middle. It's covered in cinnamon. It smells fantastic.
It is.
Really yummy. It's like a cherry-filled donut, but with a cranberry. Really good.
We are eating our way through the Cranfest.
Then we also got the famous cranberry cream puffs. I don't think there's any good way to eat these. It's going to be messy, but look at all that gooey goodness. Oh, I kind of want to jam this in your face. Here, honey. I behaved, but you're going to need the napkin. Super good. Oh, wow.
That is fantastic.
We haven't had a cream puff in forever. So they have people that come to Cranfest from all over the world, and while you're here you can put a pin in, so we'll have to do that. This is the world's largest cranberry festival, and there are people that come here from all over the world. Look at, there's already people here from France and Germany, and someone's here from Russia. Oh my gosh.
Fun fact, the cranberry is Wisconsin's state fruit.
We're going to see how they make the world famous Cranberry Jubilee here at Cranfest. It was really neat to see them make it. If you're enjoying our adventures, we'd sure appreciate it if you'd give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Cheers.
They used to give you a ticket every time
Oh
you
wow, the hot and the cold, so yummy.
10 tickets, you got a gallon free.
Can you even believe 50 years ago when you started this, what it has become?
No, and we had a lady who was very active at first and passed.
Okay.
And she said, June, we created a monster. And then she said, but it's a good one.
Yes, it is. You've done so much to help the community. Thank you this is one of my favorite festivals.
Take a break from eating and shopping to take a photo at one of the many Cranfest photo ops located around town.
Yep, come on down to Cranberry Fest 2023. You can have your picture taken with a baby kangaroo. We have Oscar and Ruben here. They'd love to sit with you.
All right, so when you're here, you have to go into the ocean spray booth and sample the dried cranberries. Were you trilling?
You got to trill the cranberry juice.
Everything and anything you can imagine tasting, testing is here right at the Cranfest. We're trying to focus on cranberry only. I love your hats.
You guys look awesome. Do you come to Cranfest together all the time?
No, that's the first time for him.
Oh, well, good for you coming along. Are you having fun?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, everything cranberry and then some here. Oh, there's cranberry pie, Jeff. So this is a local business, and she donates a portion of her proceeds back to a family in need in the Warrens community. And because of that, Weatherby Cranberries actually donates the cranberries to her. Love small towns.
Okay, we're eating our way through the Cranfest, and this is cranberry red. We are at the world's largest cranberry festival, sampling everything made with cranberries. I mean everything. This is cranberry cheese.
Yeah.
Oh boy, oh boy.
Yeah,
Sir,
look at
one.
his sample. Some of your favorite ways to eat cranberries?
Cranberries dipped in either chocolate or caramel on a toothpick. So you take some nice warm caramel, dip them in, and then eat them.
And that's a great way if you have to bring in a classroom treat. When my 4 sons were in elementary school, I caramel the cranberries, stick them in a pumpkin, and put a turkey head on and bring it in, and then they got to eat right from the, pull it off the turkey. So that was kind of fun.
Hey, we are gonna try some dark chocolate cranberry caramel. And you're the owner. Do you prefer caramel or caramel?
We want to be bougie, so we're caramel.
Caramel. You heard it right here. The correct pronunciation is caramel.
Just our regular caramel? Yep.
Not caramel?
That's ordinary.
Ooh. Dark chocolate. Perfect. What are you trying right now?
So we're trying, they're a craisin inside caramel. That's really good.
Oh, you ladies look fantastic! So how many years have you been coming to Cranfest?
This is our first year. I've been here like maybe 6 or 7 years.
I mean, you look like veterans all in these matching outfits. I love it. You made them? Oh, you're the best. So cute. Okay, so it's never too early for chocolate. And of course, they've got chocolate covered cranberries, so we're gonna give these a try. Should be yummy. You can't have just one, really good.
Thumbs up.
More chocolate than cranberry, so absolutely thumbs up. So whose idea were the hats?
Our mom that's not here.
Oh, these are awesome. And one more question, what's your favorite Cranfest food?
Donuts. Potatoes. Mini donuts. Mini donuts.
Okay.
Or all the samples.
We're sampling our cranberry summer sausage today.
Okay.
So this is an all beef summer sausage made with cranberries from Wisconsin.
You can see the little cranberries right in there.
And we use a sweet and dried cranberry.
Ooh.
And then we also have our cranberry cheddar cheese.
Oh my gosh, that is really good.
There's other people that do this, but we were the originators.
You were the original.
We were the
okay.
original.
So I'm glad we stopped here.
Yes, and I'll let you try that out. Again, we have the sweet and dried cranberries and an aged cheddar cheese. I don't know why, it's got a good smoky flavor to it, doesn't it?
It does, but I have to say, like my absolute favorite is the sausage. That is so unexpected with the sweetness of the cranberry in there. That is really, really good. Something else with a cranberry in it.
Nothing but the best.
Spark spices.
Very good.
Zesty craisin with cranberries. A lot of these people at Cranfest are just grumpy. Why are you so grumpy?
We love to come.
You love to come. Oh, that's awesome. This is one of the best parts of Cranfest is you run into the most wonderful, beautiful people and they make you laugh. Thank you for making me laugh. This is the winner of the Cranberry Oatmeal Cookie Contest here in Warrens, Wisconsin, the world's largest cranberry festival. The winner, now I can see why they're the winner. Oh my God.
Cranberries and apples and cinnamon and cobbler. So it's a apple cobbler.
How did you come up with that combination?
My wife comes up with all these recipes.
Yeah, it's good.
Right?
It tastes the cranberry in there.
You can taste the cranberry.
Very good.
You should.
Thank you.
Everything cranberry. Are you the only ones that have this? We haven't seen cranberry maple syrup.
I don't know because there are hundreds of vendors here, so I think we're one of the few.
While Sunday is known for an incredible parade featuring many bands, you will find plenty of entertainment around town on Friday and Saturday.
Welcome back to LoveNesters. We are with Julie, the owner of this chocolate shop called Sweet and Special.
Yes.
You've had it for 20 years. We're going to sample it because there's cranberry sauce on here. So we're doing everything cranberry. And why are you so happy today?
I love Cranfest.
Who doesn't?
Exactly.
Who doesn't?
Exactly.
Here we go. This is the cheesecake cranberry. I think I'm in heaven.
Thank you.
Hey, welcome back to LoveNesters. We are here at the 50th annual Cranfest, and we're here with a couple professional shoppers. They're going to give us some shopping tips. So, number one tip is what?
That you have a cart with you that does rotate. The front wheels have a double for rotation, large wheel in the back, and then a larger compartment for purses and handy items.
This is incredible information that we all should know. I think we should all have these carts. And the second question I have, are you having fun today?
Awesome. Yes.
You are awesome. Besides the food, of course, there is shopping.
With 850 craft vendors, you will find just about anything you can imagine. Most artisan or craft vendors are located along Main Street with the highest concentration in front of the school.
It's like Tom. Says, don't make me put my foot down.
Oh, that's perfect for you.
That's totally cute. Oh yeah, that's you. That's 100% you.
It's you. It's you.
He should get one, maybe two.
A lot of people are saying this.
Anybody can pull that off.
They don't even know me.
Many vendors will accept credit cards, but we recommend cash to speed up your transactions. You will find several ATMs located around Cranfest.
I'm in a shopping timeout. I love it, ladies. Do you have a favorite Cranfest food?
Food cheese curds.
Ooh. All right, you guys are the best. Hey, woohoo! There are a number of contests around Cranfest. One of them is this scarecrow contest. Interesting winners here by the jail. This is the Crimson King. This is the largest cranberry at the 50th Cranfest. That is the largest cranberry in the contest. Coming in at 6.60 grams, the Crimson King. There is also a photo contest that is part of Cranfest. If you take the time to come to the tin shed, there's also a number of quilts. Oh, this is a fun one. These are all cranberry recipes sewn onto a quilt. Well, this is something I haven't seen before. It's Guess the Weight of the Pumpkin contest.
Hey, we are at the Cranfest in Wards, Wisconsin, the world's largest cranberry festival.
There are over 3 miles of beach here, and it's absolutely free to attend. Highly recommend spending a day with your spouse here.
145,000 people attend here every year.
And it's getting pretty crowded. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for being here.
Hey, welcome back to LoveNesters. We are in
Wards, Wisconsin.
Yeah. Hey, what? Stay to the end. That'll be on the bloopers. Where are we? Hey, I got a fun fact here.
We're gonna try the winner of the the cookie contest here in Wards, Wisconsin.
Cranberry oatmeal.
Hey, we're gonna try the.
You sure you don't want more?